Here we will write a Python program to check how many times the character appears in a string. So first in comment line we will write. We will do this using function. So we will define one function, count character, with two parameters. One is string and another is character. To save the total number of counts, we will define one variable, total, which is initialized with 0, and we will use for loop. So for char in str1, we will check whether the char is equal to ch1. So if char equal to ch1, we will increase the total. So total equal to total plus 1. And outside the for loop, we will print the total. So print total number of characters in string and will print total. Then outside the function will accept the string and character from the user. So str1 equal to input, enter string, and ch1 equal to input, enter character to check, and we'll call the function count character and we'll pass str1 and ch1 as a parameter. And we execute. I will enter the string, then I will enter the character. It will print total number of characters in string is 3. To give the formatted output, we will write print statement as print. First we will print ch1 that we have passed plus appears in, then we will print the string that is str1 plus total plus times. That is, it will give the output character appears in string and total number of times. But the total is an integer and we are combining it with string. We have to convert this total to string. So str of total. And to separate, we will use space. And if we execute, I will give the string, then character p. It will print p appears in program snippets 3 times.